Namaskar. 5 superfoods you must eat. The superfoods which we are going to see today are easily available everywhere, even in the remotest area, in local markets, etc. These foods can prevent modern day diseases like cancer, like high blood pressure, and even cardiac issues, diabetes, weak immunities, acidity and gases, and so on. These superfoods not only prevent diseases but also gives you immense stamina to work. It calms your mind down. It improves concentration in any case. It improves even sleep. Let's understand straight away the 5 best foods to make part of your daily diet. Number 1, curd. Being a dairy product, it is rich in calcium, vitamin B12, B2, potassium and magnesium. Calcium content improves your bone health. The most important is the presence of lactobacilli, a good bacteria that is good for your gut health. It improves digestion in any case. It is probiotic also. Lactobacilli produces hydrogen peroxide that prevents infection in the body. Curd can prevent vaginal infections and urogenital infections. It also moisturizes your skin and heals dry skin. So, make curd as part of your daily diet. You can also consume curd in the form of buttermilk, which is much lighter and easier to digest. But do not consume curd at night because it can cause cold, acidity and so on. Improve your digestion, improve your bone health and be free from infections by consuming curd. Second, amla. Amla is also called as Indian gooseberry. According to Ayurveda, amla can balance all 3 doshas, Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Amla is a natural blood purifier and it is very high in vitamin C and boosts our immunity really strongly. If you are suffering from frequent cold and cough, then amla is one food that you should include in your everyday diet. It develops resistance to cold and cough. There are many more benefits of amla. Carotene present in amla improves our eyesight and also reduces the cataract issues and eye pressure. Also, if you are suffering from hair loss, then start taking amla without second thought. It really strengthens the hair follicles and promotes healthy hair growth. The easiest way to consume amla is in the form of juice with a spoon of honey added to it. Amla can be taken as murabba. Amla can be made into little vegetable sort of a stuff. Amla can be made into supari form. They dry the pieces of amla in sun and they make it to salted amla or sweet amlas. So all these things are the best way to consume amla. Have a glass of amla every day or eat amla in any of these forms every day. Third, peanuts. Taking 100 grams of peanuts every day really fulfills half of your protein requirement. Peanuts are high in protein and very high in fiber too. It is rich in a healthy fat like monosaturated fatty acids and polyunsaturated fatty acids, which are very good for heart, for general health and so on. If you are going through dull mood or stress, then add peanut to your diet because it helps in the release of a brain chemical called as serotonin. Peanuts have oleic acid too, which can reduce bad cholesterol from your blood and increase the good cholesterol in your blood. Boiling the peanuts within the shell and then consuming them is very good. Otherwise also boiled peanuts are good more than the other kind of peanuts which people like to eat. like roasted peanuts, oiled peanuts, fried peanuts, salted or raw. Boiled peanuts have 4 times more antioxidants than roasted peanuts and salted peanuts. Peanuts, generally called as poor man's almond, is easily available and rich in healthy nutrients which you should never miss. The next food which we are going to see is so important, very, very important, but people are afraid of that. People say that if they consume that, it would create problem, they would put on weight and so on so forth. So they don't want to consume, and this is our basic Indian culture when we use this product, and that is nothing else but ghee. Ghee has always been an important ingredient in our Indian staple diet. Addition of ghee in chapatis, sweets, curries, gravies is so important and is a very traditional way that we use ghee. Do you know that ghee has omega-3 fatty acids, which are very good fats that improves brain and heart health. If you get exhausted very easily in day-to-day activities, then start taking at least a spoon of ghee into your system every day. Ghee has tremendous healing properties, really helps even your joints. Ghee improves cell rejuvenation also. According to Ayurveda, ghee improves your eyesight and keeps you away from eye-related disorders, and so 1 spoon of ghee a day is the ideal quantity of ghee that must go into your system. Fifth, papaya. Papaya, also called as the fruit of angels. Do you know that? Papaya works wonders in issues related to constipation, bloating, gases, and irritable bowel syndromes. The enzyme pepin in papaya helps in breaking down heavy proteins and thus eases the digestive process. If you have digestive issues, then start taking papaya every day. Papaya contains lycopene, which can slow down breast cancer and prostate cancer. It also reduces muscle pain and inflammation in your body. Make papaya part of your daily diet and stay healthy. You should know that if papaya is not available, any seasonal fruit would be good, but try for papaya. Make these 5 foods as essential part of your diet. You do not have to go to super malls to get these superfoods. These are easily available and very economical too. All sections of people can afford it. Add these 5 foods to your diet and stay healthy forever. Namaskar.